Hi everybody and welcome. Today we're going to be cooking a whole chicken, a little over 6.5 pounds, over our fire pit on a rotisserie. Also, and I'm looking forward to this because this is the first time I'm doing it on a rotisserie. Also, we're going to be doing a little combination of some shrimp, kielbasa, some potatoes, and corn on the cob that we chopped up. And we're also going to cook that over the fire pit. We got some butter on here, and we're also going to add a little bit of some butter, some melted butter, and some Old Bay seasoning, some salt, pepper. We're going to add a little bit of this over top of it. And we're going to get this wrapped up. We're going to do a few more other ones too, but this one's just to show you. And also we're going to do our chicken. We have some melted butter, some garlic, salt and pepper. And we're just going to coat this down. And once we get this coated down, inside and out, we got some sliced up lemons we're going to put inside. Give it a nice flavor on the inside. Get some of that lemon flavor cooking through. And we got some rubs that we're going to put over top. A little bit of rub we're going to put over top of it. But once we get this coated down, and we'll put our... Alright guys, we're back, and we have our spit through the chicken. What we're going to do now, we got the legs all tied up. Now we're just going to sprinkle it down with a little extra rub here. Alright, and we're going to close this up, take everything outside, and when we get set up out there, I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back, and our chicken is going on the rotisserie, and we got our kielbasa and corn and potatoes and shrimp in the aluminum there. And according to our meter reader, we will have about 3 hours to cook this. Right now we are at about 71 degrees internal, and we want to go to about 165. And as you can see, hopefully, here is the readings that I have. Hopefully you all can see that. That's reading with a Wi-Fi probe in there. So when it's done, we'll be right back. See you again soon. Hey there guys, we're back for a real quick one here. Our side dish here to go with our chicken is finished. Remember the corn on the cob we chopped up? We got potatoes, shrimp, and kielbasa all chopped up. Well, here that is. That is all done. I'm going to give it a little taste here. Pork just went right in there. That's good. Here's a piece of our kielbasa. Good. Some of our corn. It's really good, guys. This you definitely want to go try. And last but not least, a little piece of our shrimp. All very delicious. Alright there guys. Be sure to give this one a go. You want to cook this, if you do this, for about an hour. Make sure the potatoes cook all the way through. Alright, when the chicken's done, we'll be right back. We are currently at 135 degrees internal, and we were going to try and get up to about 165. So we'll be back in a little bit. All right, guys, we're back, and our rotisserie chicken is almost done. As you can see, looks pretty darn good right now. It's still going, and boy, does it look nice and juicy too. As you can see, hopefully, we have approximately 2 minutes to go, and our internal temperature is, at the moment, it's 163. We are at 165. So this thing will be coming off pretty soon. All right, when it's done, we'll be back inside, and we'll cut into it and see how it is. Be back in a little bit. All right, guys, we are back, and our rotisserie chicken is fully cooked. Let's take a good look at this, see how it does. Let's take this piece right here. And it's cutting right through this like butter. Look at that. Look at that. Looks pretty good. Very good. Nice and moist. Tastes good. Okay, this is going to be a good dinner, good chicken. Alright, hope everyone has a great day, and be sure to watch the next video we have planned for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to be rotisserieing a 5-pound boneless leg of lamb. And that should be a good one too. Alright, everyone have a great day, and God bless, and see you on the next one. Bye.